Hi everyone, I'd like to say a quick thank you to our followers, especially those who are sending in your questions. Don't forget to use our live chat forum on our website to send in questions and get answers immediately. We've had quite a few questions surrounding our specialised lifting, so we thought we might go into our capabilities in a little more depth. So I have Darren Grant here, our Sales and Marketing Manager. Darren, with your experience and knowledge being a blacksmith by trade, could you give us some background information on your experience with specialised lifting and why Reliance Hexham should always be considered when looking at lifting equipment?
Thanks, Chelsea. Yeah, I started my apprenticeship at BHP as a blacksmith in 1990, which was a great place to develop some skills with equipment and experience and knowledge and tradesmen that were there. So working there gave me great knowledge on how to do forgings, specialised lifting especially. We currently have 4 guys that were tradesmen at BHP as blacksmiths working here, so the accumulated years of knowledge and experience we have here is very good. But let's skip to some images of some specialised lifting examples and try and explain a little bit more there.
When we say specialised lifting, we are generally talking about either heavy lifting equipment or items that can't be purchased off the shelf from any other companies that deal with your everyday lifting equipment such as slings and chains, etc. Benefits of specialised lifting include its longer lasting, fit for purpose, reduces overall operating costs, decreases the risk of incidents and enhances your productivity. Our specialised lifting equipment is strictly manufactured to Australian standards and come complete with NATA certification for proof loading and non-destructive testing, but also dependence and quality assured. An example of the benefits of not only specialised lifting but also using Reliance Hexham as your manufacturer is a company needed a large hook as seen in the image on your screen, and at the time was on a waiting list of 9 months to have it manufactured in Spain. Reliance Hexham were able to complete this job here in Australia and cut their waiting time by half. Another good example of specialised lifting that unfortunately I don't have any images of are of a shackle I made for a 20-tonne lift. It was to lift a 20-tonne pump out of a sump, and each shackle required a working load limit of 5 tonne, but a 5-tonne shackle was actually too large to fit down in the sump to pick it up. So we actually hand forged 5-tonne shackles from a higher grade material, and we made a 5th shackle and we destroyed it, which failed around the 65 tonne, I believe it was, which gives it more than the 4 or 5 to 1 factor of safety that most lifting equipment requires. So we were happy to certify them as a 5-tonne shackle, good for the 20-tonne lift. But yes, they were hand forged from a higher grade material to achieve that. There are some other specialised lifting examples on your screen, but I urge anyone, if you have anything tricky or large to be lifted, or more importantly, something that needs to be lifted smarter or quicker, please give me a call on 0413 648 502.